the fourth quarter is a symbol. 15 minutes to sacrifice. 15 minutes to sweat and bleed for those beside you. But for most of us, the fourth quarter isn't just 15 minutes. It's 18 years for a single parent, 5 blistering hot months for life on the farm, 100-hour work weeks in a garage with bad fluorescent lighting, 40 days during the rainy season, 3 tours overseas, 2 semesters, then summer school, and countless night shifts that bleed into morning shifts. So here's to the fourth quarter fight in all of us, and to those who leave it all out on the field, whatever field that might be.